This video is to prove that the power connector is not functioning. I have here a USB power supply, USB-C. Now I plug in the adapter. First thing you see, normally here there are LEDs to show 5 volt and 3.3 volt. They are not lighting up, so I don't get any power. Now I'm going to connect the multimeter to show. Here we have 3.3 volts. As you see, there is no power on it, not at all. And now we go to the 5 volt part, and there is no power at all on the whole system. So this power supply is not working. Thank you.